the previous episode, Arobindo and Josh used a timeline to find the height of the beanstalk on day 25. In this episode, they find the height of the beanstalk on day 100. Before watching the video, see if you can figure out what the height of the beanstalk will be on day 100.
Okay, write an equation for the height of the beanstalk after 100 days have passed.
Okay.
Since Jack was given this round.
3 to the 100.
And can you write an equation? So what does it equal?
It equals height of the plant on day 100.
And why is it going to give you the height?
Because you will be
it's multiplying it by 3 every day, starting from 1.
And so it's multiplying by 3 every day, starting from 1. So why does 3 to the 100 give you?
Because you're starting on...
Because that's the same thing as that.
Okay. And what does the 3 to the 100 mean?
That means the number of times you're multiplying the 3.
Okay. And can you use the calculator to tell me what it's equal to?
Okay.
To the power of 100.
To the power of 100.
Okay. Can we get that into your...
And that's in oh, it's still on text box. What am I doing? Centimeters.
Okay. Can you kind of show me what this would look like on a timeline?
So put day 0 and day 100. Okay, yeah, so and then that's this whole thing. Just put an arrow down.
Okay, and can you label the bottom numbers 0 and 100? What are those?
Oh, day. Yeah.
Okay. And can you get the 3 to the 100 somewhere in your picture?
Oh, yeah. It's this.
Okay, can you explain to me what you've drawn?
1. This 3 to the 100 is this 3 to the 100. And then the height of the plant on day 100
is this thing.
Yeah.
And where is that in your picture?
That's right here.
Okay. What does in your expression, what does the 1 represent?
The starting height.
Starting height? And what does the 3 represent?
The growth factor.
What does the 100 represent?
The day.
What does the 3 to the 100 represent?
That's
the height of the plant.
Yeah, that's also the height of the plant on day 100.
So it's kind of representing 2 things. It's representing what 2 things?
The height of the plant on day 100 and the growth factor from day 0 to day 100.
And why does it represent those 2 things? Maybe let's start with the growth factor from day 0 to day 100. Why does 3 to the 100 represent that growth factor?
If you had to individual days, then it would be times 3 times 3 times 3 all the way to 100.
Okay, so you're kind of gesturing. Can you put something in that sort of suggests that?
And then just days.
Yeah, those would be days. So there's times 3, and then you keep on so for each individual one. So yeah, I kind of messed it up, but that's okay. And then we do it 100 times, all the way until from here to there.
Okay. And so what is the bottom representing?
Oh, that's the 100 days.
And what about in this part that you just drew? So you put each of those little bumps were supposed to represent times 3, right?
Yeah.
What's happening on the bottom?
Oh, so there would be 100 of these tick marks. 100 tick marks. and you do times 300 times for the height.
For the height. And what's happening with the days?
And the days, you are having 100 days, so we can just do this, and you can just put a plus 100 in.
Mm-hmm. And what does that plus 100 represent?
That's the time that has passed between day 0 and day 100.
In this episode, Josh and Arobindo created an equation for the height of the beanstalk on day 100. They explained that since the beanstalk's height triples each day, it would triple 100 times over the 100 days. This means that over 100 days, its height increases by a factor of 3 to the 100. Therefore, the height on day 100 will be 1 times 3 to the 100 centimeters. This means that the 1 in their equation represents the starting height, the 3 represents the factor by which the height increases each day, the 100 represents the 100 days, and the 3 to the 100 represents the factor by which the height increases over those 100 days. In the next episode, they will create an equation that gives the height of the beanstalk on any day.